Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a bonus page for absolutely free. And in order to do that, what we'll be using, we will be using Google Docs. Yes, that is absolutely free. You just have to create a Gmail account if you don't have, and then just open up Google Docs, and you can create a bonus page for absolutely free using that. So in the training, I've already given you the review document for list lariat, which is in Google Doc, and this is the document which I had given you. And similarly, you can create any other bonus page as well for any product you want to promote. So you can change the images on this. You can use the same template, basically. That's what I meant to say. And you can change the images, you can change the text. If you want to add anything new, feel free to do that. You can also change the color, the background color, everything you can do in Google Docs. And once you are ready with the bonus page, what you have to do, just make sure that you click on share, and then you need to make sure that this option is selected, that anyone on the internet with this link can view. And then you just have to click on copy link. It will copy that ugly looking long link. Then what we'll be doing, we'll be going to bit.ly.com, which is absolutely free. Then click on create on the top, and we'll be posting that big link over here. And from here we can get this small looking shortened link which you can use, which you can give it to people. You can promote it in your YouTube videos or wherever you want. And this is the link which you can give. And this is the free way to create bonus pages. It is not going to cost you anything. You can do whatever you want. You can add text, you can add videos, images. So you can fully customize it as per your choice, as per your creativity. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again.